Welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of or delete the AirDrop from your control center. So when you drag down on your iPhone in the top right corner and you see the control center, you likely have something that looks like this, and the AirDrop icon is right there, and you may accidentally turn it on, or you may not even use AirDrop, and it's just annoying that these are all clustered together like this. So today I'm going to show you how we can smoothen this situation out and go ahead and set individual icons like this so that your layout in the control center is a little bit cleaner. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is when you get to the control center, you want to go ahead and long press and hold in any blank area, and then you will see a minus sign over this cluster or folder of apps for connectivity, and you want to just go ahead and tap on that to get rid of it. Okay, and then once you go ahead and do that, you're going to want to add individual icons back to your control center that were deleted in that batch. So we'll go ahead and tap add a control, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down until we see connectivity. Now we do not want to tap here. We want to just go ahead and add these ones individually. So we'll just start here and we'll add one, and then tap once again, add a control, go ahead and scroll down. We'll add a second one and then tap add a control again. You need to scroll down once again and continue to add. We'll add the personal hotspot next, and then one more time, add a control. We'll scroll down, and then we will go ahead and add Bluetooth. Now that these are here, you can go ahead and tap anywhere on the screen, and then you will see that they're all there. Now, if you want to go ahead and adjust and move them around, you can do that by just pressing on them and then dragging them to the location that you want on your control center. Okay, so you're probably wondering about the Wi-Fi. That's one of the most important icons, and we don't have the Wi-Fi icon available in Control Center. Well, I have a solution for that. Look down in the description of this video because I do have a tutorial on how to create a shortcut to get that Wi-Fi on Control Center. But this completes this video on how to remove the AirDrop portion of it. Hopefully you found it valuable, and if so, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing day.